So you buy your ticket, then you go down the stairs and you find a check ticket section, and you continue going down and you can see this tent. And in the tent you can eat raw fish, so sashimi, so fresh from the sides, or you keep on going and you end up here. Then you walk on these rocks and there are lots of water roaches. And then you come here and you can see the waterfall. There's quite a lot of people and you have to wear a mask. That man there is the security. So earlier, an old man went past the danger sign and he almost died and all the whistles went. So here you can get a really nice mist and it's not so hot because it's really hot here. I saw people brushing their teeth in the water. I don't know why, but they did. So here you can see the port, and there's an island in the back, and there's another island on this side. And when you finish, you walk back up and you take a left instead of going up. But it only takes like 2-3 minutes to come here. It was only 2,000 won entry fee, and Jeju has its own special QR code that you need to download, otherwise you have to write down your information. Everyone here just seems to be like chilling, and to be honest, not many people were taking pictures. A lot of the spots were empty, but maybe because it was really hot. So there's only really 2 proper photo spots where that group is sitting and that little rock there. But from that rock or any more left, you get pretty wet. Like me sitting here, I'm also getting wet. And the tides are now coming in. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye. So on the path there and back, there are some benches and some nice views. So if you are really, really hot and there's no shade, you can always just come here because there's trees. So down here is the restaurant, but it's just a nice view in general. But you can't see the waterfall from here. So I'm not sure if you can see their food, but it looks like she's preparing one. Sashimi. So normally they just collect it from the sides and then they sell it. I'm not a fan.